Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to resolve a failed in-app purchase via Apple Pay quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your payment method. Open the Settings app, tap your Apple ID, then Payment and Shipping. Make sure your card is valid, has enough funds, and your billing info is up to date. Step 2. Restart the app. Close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor glitches that block purchases. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Poor connectivity often interrupts transactions. Step 4. Update iOS and the app. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update to make sure your iOS is current. Also, update the app from the App Store for the latest bug fixes. Step 5. Retry the purchase. Open the app, go to the Purchase section, and try buying again using Apple Pay. Step 6. Contact Apple Support if needed. If it still fails, go to Apple Support, Billing and Subscriptions, Report a problem. They can review your account and resolve the issue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick tech tips.